Hello guys, welcome to the another video from the Beth's Maths Academy. In this video I'm gonna give you the concept of the Pythagoras theorem. You learn many times the Pythagoras theorem, but I think nobody told you the concept of the Pythagoras theorem. So there's a formula. How do you get that formula? Okay, I'm gonna explain you this here. So we use Pythagoras theorem in triangles. So we got one triangle over here. So let's say the length of this side is 3 centimeter, and the length of this side is 4 centimeter. Okay, if we draw a square here, 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter, it's gonna be messy. So this is gonna be 3 by 3 centimeter, and if we draw here 4 by 4 centimeter over here, and if we draw one square here as well, so if we find the area of this square, this is going to be the area of this square is going to be 9, and the area of this square is going to be 16. So how do you find the area of third square? So we need boxes. So in my another slide, scroll down, I just draw this square one. Yeah, so this is 3, so the area of this square is 9, and the area of this square is 16, and the area of this square, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So if you draw these triangles on a square paper, then you get a square like this. So this is 5, this is 5, so the area of this square is going to be 25. Now guys, tell me, did you get any pattern? So the area of this square is 16, and the area of this one is 9. So if you add these two square, so we got 16 plus 9 is equal to 25, and this big square, the area of big square is 25. I think you get the pattern. Yeah, so the definition of Pythagoras theorem is that the area of the two smaller squares add up to the area of the largest square. Yeah, so this is the questions. When you solve the question, you use this definition. So if you draw a triangle here, so let's say this is 3 and this is 4. So in Pythagoras theorem, so we try to find the unknown side. So let's say this is unknown side, which is the longest side. So how you can find this one? So we can use this definition. The area of the two smaller square add up to the area of the largest square. So it means if we find this area of this side, so it's going to be 3 squared plus 4 squared, then we get 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So I mean this square is going to be 25. So we know which number you times by the same number you get 25. I know is 5 times 5 is 25. This means this side is going to be 5. Is this make sense, guys? So that's the way to you can find the third side, which is the longest side. This is called hypotenuse, and this is the concept of the Pythagoras theorem. Makes sense? Now let's try some exam questions. So I got this exam question, 3 examples of different. So here we need to find the longest side. So here the longest side is given, which is 9, and here the longest side is given as well. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the unknown side. So first we need to find which one is the longest side. So this side you can see here, so this is called the 90-degree angle. So the side in front of that angle is always the longest side, always longest side. Okay, so this is the my formula. So you can use the definition of Pythagoras theorem. We're not going to use that one. That is for just only concept. So when you solve the question, you can use this one. Okay, so when you need to find the longest side, so let's say this is x. So what you need to do, just write x here, then you write 20 square plus 10 square, then square root it. That's it. So this is going to be 400 plus 100 x. So x is equal to 500. So if this question is calculator paper, so then you can use the calculator and you can write the answer into one decimal place or significant figure when he ask. Okay, so yeah, so when you're going to find the longest side, you square it and add the other two sides. So this is my hint. Okay, so here, so which one is the longest side? The 9. So which is given. How I find the longest side? Because this is opposite to that 90-degree angle. Okay, if the longest side is given, so we're gonna find the shortest side. Okay, so when you're gonna find the shortest side, let's say this is x. So x, so what you're gonna do, you're writing x, then you do the longest side, which is 9 squared, then you do minus from the shortest side, which is 6 square, and square root it. So x 9 square is equal to 81 minus 36. So 81 minus 36. So x is equal to 45. 81 minus 36 is going to be 45 root. Got it, guys? Okay, so here I'm going to repeat again. The longest side is given. So when the longest side is given, you need to find the shortest side. So what you need to do, you write x, which is the shortest side, then you do 9 squared, which is the longest side. So longest side, take away the shortest side, then square it and square root it. That's it, easy peasy. So here, which side is given? Again, the longest side is given. So then means we need to take away. So let's say this is x. So we're gonna write x here. Then repeat with me. The longest side 16 squared minus 8 squared. Square root it x. So 16 squared minus 8 squared is 256. 256 and minus 64, because 8 squared is 64. So when you take away, x is equal to, is going to be 192 square root. Okay, so that's it. And this is the only three possible ways you're gonna get the question in the exam. So I'm gonna repeat again. When the longest side, when you need to find the longest side, you're gonna add it, the other two side, and square root it. And when you need to find the shortest side, then you need to take away shortest side from the longest side, like 9 squared minus 6 squared. Here we need to find the shortest side as well, so we do 16 squared minus 8 squared. Hope so you enjoyed the video. So I'm gonna put more videos as well. I put exam question as well. So for more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Hope so you enjoyed the video. Thanks.